Do you wanna look at your face? Hala. Natin si Paris ay sobrang linis. Ito. Alalak. Pasagdan ka sa inyong ginaganan. Yan lang, pagsana ko. Can you say ho ho ho? Can you say ho ho ho?
Mama.
Ay, wait, tapos no kayo mong inom. Hindi pasagdan ka sa imong ginikanan lang. Ha? Kumain kasi ng yogurt yan, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo ang kanyang mukha, oh. O, tinitingnan talaga niyang maigi ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya ka-messy. Alam niyo ba, kakagising lang kasi nito from her nap. Ha? Kaya yan, kumain ng kanyang yogurt. So, si Ate Paris ay nakapag-shower na. The moment ko naririnig niyo, si Daddy Mike ay nag-shower. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, sabihan niya lang kami kapag nearly, na siya, finished kasi tatapon. Ipapasama ko to sa loob ng shower para mahugasan ang mukha nito. Yes, my love. Yes? What happened to your face? What happened to your face? Oh my goodness. Ay, ate? Ate? Come on, I'll brush your hair.
Talk shop.
Talk shop, what's that?
Talk shop. Like we get that school and I got a talk shop. Cute.
Here. Although you're heavy, where's the hairbrush?
See, that's so
Hala, anak, ay, trapo-trapo sa imong larawan lang. Tibi, brush your hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And we got something from Woolies, and we got the talk shops. We got talk shops. Okay. We're going to unbox this thing.
So, aalis tayo, guys. Tell Tita and Tito where we're going.
Wow, Irene's house.
Mm-hmm.
You like call her Irene?
Yeah.
Oh,
So, we're doing
Irene.
play date this afternoon. So, it is Saturday. And, nung birthday ni Ate Paris, pumunta sila. Tapos, in-invite din nila kami. Sabi nila na mag-play date daw sa bahay nila today. So, doon kami pupunta. Yung kaibigan ni Ate Paris na Thai. No? So, why don't you see each other always long?
Who?
Irene.
Because we go to the same school.
You go to the same school?
I'm talking about when we go to kindy.
That's right. So, they used to go to the same kindy. And then,
In the
ngayon
same
na-prep na
room.
sila. Iba na yung school nila. Iba-iba na yung school nila, guys. Unfortunately, kasi dito, by zone. So, kung hindi, doon ka pasok sa school na malapit
And Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohio gozaimasu. It's afternoon now, so what's good afternoon?
Konnichiwa.
Wow! Good,
I did
Good girl.
now.
Hmm?
Yeah, afternoon now.
Afternoon na. It's 1 o'clock. Uy, dapat gani mag-ready na.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, we're going. Where's your shoes be?
Mine.
Where are your white shoes?
My
Get your socks.
wanna like bring lunch to their house, like we can meet them at their house.
Okay. Go, get your shoes.
Dude, that sounds like a great idea.
Sounds like a great idea, Mom.
Hi guys!
Come on, get your shoes. So, ito yung ating papasok kay Baby Celine, guys. Oh, super cute. Hindi pa ito niya nasuot, so we'll see if this will fit her. Pinlansya ko talaga para magandang tingnan. Itong cloth na ito kasi madaling gumot-gumot. Ganda naman ito eh. Super cute naman. At medyo madilim tayo guys kasi alam niyo ba it's overcast for the last week. very, maulan. Stop. Rain, stop. Yeah.
My dad forgot to put his shoes away.
Yeah, I know. Silly daddy. Check if you got socks there too, anak. With your shoes. Not that. Oh yeah, that one. That's fine. You can wear that because you got red on your shirt. You got socks on?
No, there's socks.
Okay, that's alright. Mama will take socks. Sit down here, baby. Sit down here. Hey. What did you say now? Blah, blah, blah.
I know that's right.
Yay!
My nose starts with F.
Eesh! No
My
one can
nose starts with F. I know special word that starts with F.
What is it?
Fun.
Fun, that's blue.
Green. You.
Blue.
Mommy. No, me.
What's the color of your dress?
That's
This one? What is this one? Dress. Yeah, what's the color? What's the color?
Yellow, she said.
Yellow.
She said yellow already. What's the color of your dress? Dress. What is the color? Did you hear the yellow?
Yellow.
Yes,
When you say yellow. Yeah. You have to brush your hair. Yeah, brush. Star, look, stars. It's star. Look at Selena. Look here. This is Celine. See? Is that Celine? Come on na. Abiyaan ka dali, oy. Bahala ka, oy. So, ito ang ating outfit for today, guys. For today's video. Ayan. So, meron tayong, lilac na mini dress. I love the length of this one, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ganito yung gusto kong length, guys. Kasi, above the knee, hindi ako masyadong kinakain ng damit ba. I look too short. Kasi pandak na nga. Mas lalong papandak. What is wrong? Oh, shush. Ka-arting yan, baby natin. Eh. So, may pa-puff sleeves. Bongga ang puff sleeves. Muna mag-bariaklaro eh. Ayan. Love these details too. No, super cute ng kulay. Love it. Pak! Mama! Look! Shush, meron naman na siya. Yay! Meron naman ng bow. Ay! Andiyan siya pa. Mama. Ang suot to ng ating andis. Ate! Alam niyo ba, kahapon, pumunta tayo ng Filipino store. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Anyways, dadalhin natin to siya sa bahay ng friend ni Ate Paris para ma-try nila. So, I don't know, meron bang ganito sa Thailand, guys? Muncher. Ito talaga ang pinaka-paboritong pagkain when I was in elementary tsaka high school. Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung na-afford, di ba? Tigpipiso. Yung mga maliliit na sisidlan pa. Ayan. Dalhin natin para matry nila. And then, meron pa tayong pa... Yes, ano? What's inside? May payema. Si Mayora, guys. Dito, grabe. Kahapon, kumain ako ng adobong pusit doon. Oh, you wanna bring it there?
Yeah. So I can play it and make iron.
Sugar overload. Ang ating yema. Nak, we'll put your hair up, nak, Beth. Because you're going to play. Hmm? What's mama? Hair cream. Try and tell me if you like it.
What is it?
It's sugar. Basically sugar.
Is it?
Show Tita Tito you're having. Say, I'm having yema. I'm pretty sure you'll like it, not because it's sweet. So I'm eating yema. Pinapakiramdaman. Hindi mo tayo marunong Tagalog na ko eh. Pinapakiramdaman. Mahiya, oy. Pinapakiramdaman ko na Paris.
I do want another one.
I'm alright, sweetie. Go.
Here, take another one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, nope, you're looking at me now.
Hi, Lang. How's the floor, sweetie?
Who's coming? Is that my big bag, Wolf? Rapunzel, let down your hair. I wanna use it as ladder and stairs.
You sound like the witch now. Here you go. Oh, you're ready to play.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Bigay,
I
oh,
wanna use it as ladder and stairs.
tingnan nyo guys. Oh, malaki naman ang ating Ate Paris. Oy, not a baby anymore. Look.
My legs are even longer.
I know. See? Big. See? We're nearly same height. I love you.
Mommy, let's check. Mommy, let's check.
There. See?
I have to her tummy. I can kiss it like this.
Ling, tingnan nyo ang ating
I love you,
Ling. Oy.
babe.
Uy, I love you, baby. Kakaroon.
I love you, babe.
Baby sa imong kuan. Baby bitok.
I love you, babe.
You say baby bitok.
I love you, babe.
This one. I love you, baby. I love you, baby bitok.
I love you, baby.
Basa pang buhok na. Ay, sure. Tingnan nyo ang kanya, ano guys, nandyan pa guys.
What?
Kumagko nga. Nahulugan.
Is it her toe there? Is it almost better?
Yeah. Maalis na yun soon.
Alright.
Mama, give it to Mama, babe, so you can talk, babe. Yeah. Does it hurt still? Does it hurt still? Tell Mama? Ayaw lang. I know, right? Galapad lang na imong nangunggod, oy.
Love you, babe.
No. What is this?
Tommy.
What is it?
Star.
Star.
There's a baby in a tummy. That's what I mean.
Baby sa inyo.
Love you, babe.
5 minutes later.
So we are now in the car. Nakapasok na yung dalawang kids, guys. And hinihintay na lang namin si Daddy Mike na makababa. And then we will go. So sinet up ko na pala yung ating car phone mount. So yun yung gamit ko ngayon. So yung hinahanap ko talaga is yung for camera ba. Pero apparently hindi daw gumagawa ng ganun, guys. So totoo ba? So pang phone lang daw talaga. So ngayon yung gamit ko na phone, ayan, kaya yung camera hindi masyadong clear. But gamit ko na yung mount. And it's, yun na. Minsan kasi kapag nag-drive ako, gusto ko yung mag-vlog ba, yun bang magsasalita. So kapag walang car phone mount, wala, hindi siya pwede. Say hi, honey girl. Look here in the camera. Look. Dada! Who's that? It's a new person. It's a new person. Who's this? Who's this, honey? Is it your dada? I don't think Celine Senior without like facial hair. It's always been like facial hair. Look at it. Look at him. Have a look at daddy, guys. It looks like One Direction.
Drag shampoo this hair.
Good job, daddy. Come and show daddy. Have a look. There's no more facial hair, guys. Daddy shaved it. Come on, ba. Show just quickly. It's on the side. Iba rin. Did you recognize daddy? Is that daddy? Yay, Lin Lin. Ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Want me to get a white one for you?
What are you drawing?
This one? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, of course I can.
So you gave me before, same. So like on that,
Ling Ling.
when you go back,
Yay. You can sit here
I
lang.
used to get off
Tingnan niyo, nakaupo sa kanyang tatay.
just to stop where it turns.
Come. Here.
It has like a,
Lini.
I still use it, man. Oh my god. In the swimming pool.
We can't dance swimming pool because it's raining. Play the piano now. Show me, you sing. I wanna come home. Like Jax, remember? When Jax was like, I wanna come home to roses. So that one, come on. You sing at the same time.
I'm opening this pie with one.
Louder, louder. A fine line better with age. Because I learned it from my
I you sing and I did
Okay.
very
I wanna come home to roses and dirty little notes and post-its. And when my hair starts turning gray, I say I'm like a fine wine, better with age. I guess I get it from my parents. True love starts with friendship. Kiss on the forehead, date night, fake an apology after a fight. Your turn. No, you said I need a man.
Mama,
Ling Ling!
oi.
Meron silang pool dito, guys. Kaya nga lang, umulan kanina eh. Kaya hindi. Wala kami nakaano sa pool.
Oi. Mana tangka? Yeah. Lebih higher.
Tingin si Sunilo. Shush, shush, shush! Lini girl! Lini!
My turn, my turn. My turn.
Paris!
Which one? The under?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Oh
Nah, you gotta, like I said, you can't go like that. You gotta bend backwards.
yeah.
Well done, Lini. You're the
Go in
winner.
the line. Everyone go in the line first.
I'm the leader.
Get in the line.
I'm the leader.
Alright, ready? Go. There. There. Alright, back in the line. Back in the line.
Okay, Lin.
Back
It's
in
your
the
turn.
line.
Come
Alright,
on.
lower now. Gotta go back first. Back.
Mama.
Alright, go.
Lini is the winner. Lini is the winner.
Alright. Go. Wait, stop. Alright.
Well done, Anya.
I play jump paper. I want to play jump paper. Jump paper.
Alright, hold on.
Say bye-bye. We'll see you next time. We're not far. You can always come back. Yeah? Carlos? Carlos? So cute.
I will make a call for you.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm going to tell her.
Why? Celine.
She dropped. Knock. Can you grab the toy lang and give it to Celine?
No, it's not twice, just.
Okay.
Give me your arms.
I'll turn it on now because it's... Did you have fun, Paris? How about you, Ling?
Oh, right. Cold, hot. Cold, hot. Opposite.
Opposite, that's right.
Hot, cold.
Put your arm in.
cold.
What is hot in Bisaya?
No.
Ina. Ina.
No, nearly.
Ina.
There you go.
Well done. Good job. How about the cold?
Tuna.
Oh, good job. Wala pa na yan, tatay.
Ice.
Lin!
My
You're sweating.
My wobble eyes.
Eyes, what's eyes?
I don't know.
Mata.
Mata.
That's right.
Banana.
Okay, kakalis lang namin, guys.